you want your shapes to be clearly defined, but you want your treatment, your line work, your technique to have a little variation, a little bit of flavor. It's kind of like cooking. You don't want to if you cook and you just maybe you just add salt, that's nice. But if you add salt and a little bit of garlic, you know what I mean, and ginger and olive oil, then it starts to add variation to the taste, to the meal. And same thing, we want to create a beautiful meal for our viewers. And this is just one way to do that, is by varying the quality of your shape. And how, right? We just saw we can do a shape this way and then fill it in. We can do a shape this way, kind of like the Rembrandt, have some variation on one side and then mass it in. Or we could do a shape like Zorn and just say, you know what, I'm not going to draw a line. I'm going to imply a line. I'm going to imply a contour with hatching. So these are all valid shapes. These are all ways to draw, and these are all things we can use.